Today's video is a review of my Costco Diamond Cross necklace. I've personally owned this necklace for going on 4 years now. It's a tried and true favorite piece in my jewelry collection. And surprisingly, the price I paid 4 years ago is more than it is today. On Costco's site, this piece retails for $1,099. So this necklace has a total carat weight of 1 carat. This necklace is comprised of 11 round brilliant diamonds. The diamonds are a color G or near colorless, and the diamond clarity is VS2 or very slightly included. This necklace comes with an adjustable 18-inch chain. So currently I'm wearing the necklace at its longest length. Once again, the chain length is 18 inches, and this is where it lands on me. This necklace is also made of 14 karat white gold. This necklace can be worn at 3 lengths. There are 2 O-shaped holes to make it shorter. So here I have the necklace at the shortest length, and this is where it lands on me. I think this necklace is such a classic style. It's sparkly yet subtle enough to be worn daily. I'm personally a big fan of purchasing jewelry from Costco. This is not the only jewelry item that I own from Costco. I feel like with Costco jewelry, you'll get a competitive price even if you weren't to do much research on your own. Their selection of jewelry is also quite curated. You don't have to sift through hundreds of items. I also feel like their styles easily suit the average consumer, making these great gift options. Especially with Valentine's Day around the corner, I think this cross necklace would make a fantastic gift. All jewelry pieces are shipped via UPS insured, signature required, and the estimated delivery time will be 2 to 3 days from the time of order. In my opinion, Costco truly gives you the best price and quality. Here are 2 examples of product alternatives. The first example is from Blue Nile. It's also a 1 carat weight pendant. It's in 14 karat white gold, has an 18-inch chain. This price retails for $1,224. That's nearly $250 more than the Costco version. Also, the Blue Nile version is lab-grown, not a naturally mined diamond like Costco. One benefit from purchasing from Blue Nile is that you can choose between white gold or yellow gold. Costco only has the white gold option. Another alternative is from Bloomingdale's. This has an incredible retail price of $4,400. It has an identical diamond carat weight of 1 carat. It's also in 14 karat white gold. The shape on this cross is a bit different. I have additional Costco jewelry review videos on my channel. Feel free to check those out if you're interested. This ring that I'm wearing now is from Costco as well. I love this ring. My husband picked it out for me on our engagement. I also have Costco diamond earring reviews as well as a tennis bracelet. So anyways, that should do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like this video, subscribe if you like content like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.